Hey folks, how y'all doing in the land of grills? There's the Masterbuilt. There's the Char-Griller 980. These are both gravity style, charcoal fed cookers. Folks, I'm going to do some biscuits and steak on the Char-Griller tonight. Just did a review, and if you haven't checked it out, the 6-month review of this grill, I'll leave the link down below to that. But I go through the what I like and what I don't like. And right now what I'm going to like is the fact that I'm going to be able to get this going. And it's an after work cook. I'm going to get it up to temp real quick and do them biscuits. And then right when the biscuits are done, I'm going to turn it up to 650 and I'm going to sear some steak. And oh man, it's going to be so good. So keep on watching. Should be a relatively short one, but it's going to be a delicious one. I'm not going to even plug her in tonight. I'm just going to run her off of battery power. I've got one of my Bauer batteries, 1.5 amp hour batteries, and Bauer sells this little adapter here that gives you USB. And then I've got a USB connector that just goes to one of the connections inside, and you can see it shows everything is open right now. I gotta close it down, but that's a cool little option on these grills, is that you can actually run them with a little battery like that, a cordless screwdriver battery. All right, I got the slider out. Bottom, that's where the fan is. That's open. That's open. Obviously, I've got a fire starter in there. They have to go for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna close this down. Close that down. That stays open. The slider obviously stays out. Got the back vent open halfway, and then we'll fire it up, give you a look-see. I got the little pack of grands here. There's 5 of them in there, and it calls for this to get to 375. So just set it at 375, and I will give you a look-see. What I like about these grills is that when you set it, it's literally 5 minutes and it's at temp. So I got it set at 375. You can see it's sitting at 369 right there. And my gauge, it goes up so fast that it takes my lid gauges time to get to the same temp. So I did put the biscuits on. And you can see there's our biscuits. Like I said, once those biscuits on, we will pull them off, and then we're gonna set this up to 650. I'm gonna show you how fast it gets to 650. It'll amaze you. You can see holding, well, it's 380 now, but I just wanted to give you a look-see as to how much juice we're using here. Here's the indicator. I mean, it's not even showing. This grill takes so little. If you're wondering if this thing is kind of portable, well, from a standpoint of electricity, it is. All right, still 375 there, and we're still lower than that on the lid. But let's take a look at the biscuits and see how because that's the real. So you can see they are browning up really nice, and I mean, look at that. So we're gonna flip them. Yeah, these are doing good, real good. A couple minutes, we'll be taking these off. So very nice biscuits on the Char-Griller 980. You would think that this was just like for meat, but you can do biscuits too. All right, biscuits, I believe, are going to be coming off. Look at that. When's the last time you had sear marks? Oh man, look at that. Those are nice biscuits right there. Look at that. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect biscuits. Now we're going to turn it up to 650, give you a look-see. All right, on battery power, let's go to temp. And then we're just going to spin the wheel here until we get to 650. Now it's set. Fans turn on now. Here's the cool part. We're going to hit the turbo, which is right here. And that turns the fan up. This will get the 650 really, really quick. I just want you to watch it. Yeah, sorry about the plane flying overhead. But you can see it's at 650, and look where it is. That was a little over a minute. That's pretty impressive. All right, let's get the sear in here. Oh man, I'll tell you what. This thing is smoking hot. And give you a look-see. All right, let's take a look-see, folks. Oh man, look at that. Talk about some nice looking steaks. Those are very nice. Folks, you want to see? Biscuits and steak, and that's it. So if you're asking, once again, does this thing take a whole lot of energy to operate? It does not. All right, we're getting ready to pull them off. Let's take a quick look here. Did a quarter turn. Oh man, looking really nice. Give you a look-see once they're plated up. All right, there we have it. Making biscuits and searing steaks with a battery. And that's what we did tonight. Let's go right through here. I am so hungry right now. Look at that. That is rare. That is exactly how I like it. And those biscuits, I'm gonna use those biscuits. Oh man. We're gonna dip those biscuits in that juice. It's gonna be, oh man, that is so good. And you know, you tell me, they didn't even register how much battery that took. And that's the smallest of the Bauer batteries, 1.5 amp hour. There's a 3 amp hour and a 5 amp hour. The smallest one. We made biscuits, seared some steak on a Char-Griller 980 square inches. So that was a big grill. So you can't say, well, that was a small grill. No, it wasn't. Folks, I hope this was helpful. Tom Horsman on YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, appreciate you watching. Thank you.